Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to read a credit report on Equifax. So in order to do this, the first thing that you need to understand is you need to learn what information is on your Equifax credit report. Hard inquiries on credit reports can impact credit scores, but soft inquiries don't. Do your credit homework before shopping for a loan. School report cards contain numbers or letters summarizing the evaluating student's performance. Your credit report aren't much different. Your credit reports contain information summarizing how you have handled credit accounts, the different types of accounts, and your payments history. Your Equifax credit report is made up of your personal information, credit account information, the inquiry information, bankruptcies, and collections accounts. The only purpose or companies the only people or companies allowed to access your credit reports are those with permissible purpose. This means they must have a very specific reason to be checking your credit report. That might be because you have applied for a loan or credit card, for example, or are seeking to rent an apartment. Lenders and creditors who have permissible purposes to access your credit report information may use it along with other criteria to help them make decisions about whether to extend your credit or in what terms. So, if you want to read your credit report on Equifax, then you first have to go through this article. I will put the link of this article down in the description, so you just have to go through this. It will really help you to read your Equifax report. But as I read earlier, that your Equifax report is the made up of all of these information, so it will help you to read a credit report on Equifax. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.